Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make easy, professional looking stickers. So what you're going to need is a piece of paper and like a baggie and a pair of scissors, and you're going to need like a marker, pen, or pencil to draw what you're going to make into stickers. I made emojis. And after you draw them, you can color them in. Whatever sticker you're making, you can do like animals, fruits, emojis, it doesn't matter. After you color your drawings in, you're going to cut them out. I'm done, almost done coloring. Now I'm done. Now I'm going to cut these out. And you're also going to need some tape. Almost forgot that. Okay.
Run away, Katie, if you want the moon.
Okay, here's one. Now I'm going to do the second one.
All you need is 3 more. I know where 2 is.
The next thing you're going to do after you cut your drawings out, there we go.
There's none right there.
You're going to get your tape and you're going to cut it, and you're going to need 2 pieces for each sticker that you're making. And they're going to need to be, both are going to need to be a little bit bigger than the sticker that you're making. So after you've got your 2 stickers ready, you're going to put one on the baggie, one of the pieces of tape, and you're going to put your drawing on it. Actually, first you're going to put the other piece of tape on top of your drawing. What is going to be a sticker, like this. Alright, then you're going to put it on the other piece of tape that you put on the baggie. You're going to put this on top of that piece, then you're going to press down. Like this. Then you're going to try to get the bottom piece of tape. The first one you put on the baggie. And then you're going to want to pull it up like that. So it's like this. Then you're going to cut around the edges, but leave some space so it doesn't come undone. And after that, that's it. That's how you make easy, professional looking stickers. There you go. Here it is. Here it is. The next thing is optional if you want. You can put it on the baggie, then cut around it in like the shape of the sticker around it. If then it'll keep the sticky part sticky. Here it is. And I can take it off whenever I want and use it. There we go. And that's it. That's how you make easy, professional looking stickers. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.